everyone, it's Maddie from the Hootsuite Academy team. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to get started with Talkwalker. Let's imagine we're a popular shoe brand launching a new running shoe, the AirStride Pro, and see how Talkwalker guides our strategy at all stages from planning to launch. Let's dive in. When you sign in, you'll land on your project homepage. In Talkwalker, projects serve as your main hub for collecting, analyzing, and visualizing data around a specific focus. That could be reputation management, understanding campaign sentiment, competitive insights, or whatever your goal is. You can switch between projects here anytime, and the global search bar lets you search your project without leaving the homepage. Below that is where you'll see your products. These are the features available in the project. Whatever you see here will depend on your subscription. You can also find these anytime in your nav bar. And down in the corner, meet Yeti, your personal AI assistant. Yeti helps you navigate Talkwalker and understand project insights. Think of it as your data-savvy sidekick, and don't hesitate to reach out to Yeti anytime if you have questions. Before we do anything else, we need to connect the relevant tokens. Think of a token as a key that unlocks your social data, allowing Talkwalker to pull insights from your connected accounts. Don't worry, tokens can't post or edit anything, they just collect data. To add a token, we'll head to Project Settings, then Connected Accounts, pick a social network, and log in with our credentials. Now we're ready to set up our topics and channels. This is where you decide what to listen for and where. Topics are the subjects you want to monitor, like your brand, competitors, or a trend. Before we start, I'm going to create a new folder to keep my AirStride Pro launch organized. Once we give our topic a name and a description, we can use keywords and dive deeper with Boolean operators to find the right mentions. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Boolean expert. Just use the AI query builder to refine your search and automatically generate the best search string to capture mentions around your topic. Before our running shoe product launch, we might create topics for competitors' shoes, like the Nova Kinetic Velocity Plus or the Thunderstep Ignite, to see what runners are saying and analyze themes. We could also identify influencers in the running community to partner with for our launch. On launch day, we might track the hashtag AirStride Pro to measure buzz, sentiment, and reach. We could catch any negative feedback early, like sizing issues, and check geographic data to see which markets are responding best. Next, let's add channels. These are the public social media accounts you want to monitor. For example, our competitors' Instagram or YouTube pages. Just grab the exact URL of the account and paste it in. We can also connect our own channels in Insights channels to monitor our accounts in more depth, like seeing which product photos on our Instagram get the most engagement. Now we're pulling in relevant data from runners, competitors, and our owned channels. From our homepage, we can find and explore this data in topic and channel analytics anytime. With analytics flowing in, let's move to dashboards. Dashboards make it easy to monitor performance at a glance and share insights with your team. If you're just getting started, I recommend beginning with IQ apps. These are pre-built dashboards for common goals like topic analysis or campaign monitoring, so you can see insights right away without building anything from scratch. Before our shoe launch, we might set up a competitive analysis dashboard. Here, I'll learn what my competitors are doing and how my product compares. I can review the results, and it looks like we're leading in positive sentiment against our competitors. When I'm ready, I can create my own dashboard from IQ apps or widgets here anytime. Just fill in the name and a brief description. We might also create an influencer discovery dashboard to track top content creators in the running community that we may want to partner with for launch. And at product launch, we could set up a regional dashboard to see which markets are creating the most buzz. Once you're a pro, you can create your own dashboards from existing widgets, analytics, or IQ apps. These visualized insights can be completely customized. To stay organized, group them by segments like use case, market, or sentiment. Finally, set up reports and alerts to stay proactive. You can set these up from existing analytics, IQ apps, or dashboards. For our launch, we'll schedule a daily report summarizing campaign performance and email it to the marketing team. I can create a new report from the performance area in analytics, name it, give it a short description, and then set my scheduling options. I'll also set up an alert for any spike in negative sentiment. So if there's sudden chatter about sizing issues, we can act immediately. Reports and alerts are an effortless way to keep stakeholders informed and your team ahead of the conversation without manually checking your dashboards. And that's it. You're ready to turn digital chaos into strategic confidence. If you'd like to keep learning, head over to Hootsuite Academy anytime to learn more.